Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name's Bethany and I am one busy mama. So today's video is going to be like a little get ready with me. I'm gonna do a full makeup, I think, and trying out something new. This Profusion Sapphires palette. So if you want to see what I can do with these 10 colors, and I am just making sure I have all the oil off of my face. As you can see, I've got lovely dark circles popping through, and a friend came by to visit. Okay, so got that out of the way, and I bought a bunch of stuff, if you haven't noticed, and I want to try some of it out. And so we got a blank canvas. I'll show you some of the stuff that I'm using and then we'll skip forward when we can. Nice damp sponge. I did get this at Target. I mentioned it in another video. And I'm getting wipes. So this is already damp. I'm going to use this for my face and my concealer. So for concealer, something different. I have my CoverGirl. This is the True Blend Undercover Concealer in Classic Beige. We're gonna keep using this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Stick Foundation. This is in the color Soft Beige. Watermelon Pink Juice Moisturizer. It has hyaluronic acid. And for me, I feel like if you want full coverage, you could probably go in again. But for me, this is probably okay. The Laura Mercier translucent loose setting powder. So, like I said, this is going to be a first impression. It doesn't come with a mirror, so that's why I'm using this mirror. They're so pretty. So I think what we're going to do is to set the whole eye look. Since we already have concealer, we're going to set the whole eye with Camel. And I'm going to take a Wet n Wild brush. And there's color or a base, like how I'm doing. Perfect. So let me just blend it out. And I'll take just a little. Look at that. Very dusty. Frostbite, Bermuda, Atlantis, Nautical, wow, and Frostbite, Bermuda, oh my god, that is so pretty, Atlantis, Nautical, and then we have Rockin', Mellow, Destiny. The Camel we just put on, but we'll swatch it anyway. So we have Rockin', oh, that's Mellow. Rockin', Destiny, and Camel. Last two, Planetary and Conspiracy, which has like some specks in there. So this is Conspiracy and Planetary. Oh my gosh, very nice. So happy. And this palette is only $5 at Walmart. So I want to try every color, of course. Let's see, is this navy blue? And see what happens. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna take this Rockin' and put it in the middle, and then I'm gonna go in with Atlantis, and I think I'm gonna smooth out with Mellow on the top. But how's it looking? Oh my. Wow. Put some more freaking Atlantis. It's getting lost. Smooth it out a little bit because it is a gleaming. Maybe I'll do a lighter look that's in this palette, more of these neutrals. The pigment, I mean, I went heavy because I thought that the pigment wasn't going to be there, but it is. This is nice too. Mellow. And that looks super nice with that camel on there. So let's just bring it up and around. Let's go back into the camel. Wow, I will say I am super impressed by this palette. Fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go in with Destiny. It's this light, it's not even baby blue, but I'm going to put it right here. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. And it's barely coming off on this nice Farrah brush. So I'm gonna go in with my finger. Wow. So this definitely has some shift, this frostbite. I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's like a hint of green in there. It's very pretty though. All right, let's do mascara, eyeliner. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Again, let me just dust this off. Let me know what you guys think. Did I go extreme or too neutral? So this is the Profusion Sapphires palette. I'm not sure how I feel. I think they are very pigmented. The only one that was a miss was this Bermuda shade. It just failed. I couldn't get it. So let me know which one you like down below. And if you haven't already, hit the like button, comment, subscribe. You know I love chatting, and let me know what you guys think about this palette. And I will see you in the next video, guys, and stay safe.